Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger, and if you need to find the cruise control, the adaptive cruise control fuse, stay with us, we'll explain where it's located. If you do not have adaptive cruise control but regular cruise control, we'll talk about that as we go, so make sure to stay until the end and we'll explain common mistakes people make when replacing fuses that can cost you quite a bit of time and money as well. All that will be covered today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage will be making at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. On that Dodge Challenger specifically, we will be taking completely apart transmission engine wise, and we have multiple ones which are the V6 and the V8, so videos will be coming very soon. Why we do all that, guys? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So this guy specifically, it's a 2018 Dodge Challenger. We wanted to show you about the adaptive cruise control because many of you ask me which fuse to check. Now that car has been in a little bit of an accident, so ignore that part, okay? It's nothing that will affect the video. But if you come right here, you will open the hood. The fuse box will be located. Let me get something to show you with, but the fuse box is located right here. You have the lid. You have two things that you need to squish towards each other, open, and on the back side you have the fuse numbers here. Now, fuses that you need to check, guys, for adaptive cruise control. If you have adaptive cruise control, you're going to have one fuse that's known as fuse number 52, and it will be a 5M fuse, and that will be the second fuse from top to bottom on the very left side right here. Talking about 1, 2, it will be that fuse right here. If you have one, it will be right here. If you do not have adaptive cruise control, we have a special video that explains why cruise control does not work on Dodge Challenger, and is going to teach you about that, and actually where the fuse is located in that case, what you need to check, because you have a special component for that. So we're going to talk about that in the other video. But if you have adaptive cruise control, it will be that fuse. We'll recommend, guys, to always test the fuses. Don't assume they're good or bad. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses and relays in the description of the video below if you need to check it out, so it can save you quite a bit of time and money. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.